Keep on breathing. Now slowly come back with inhalation. Raise your heels up. This asana is good for maintaining the physiological balance between all the organs. It is also good enough for improving balance. And also it is good for increasing your height. Slowly relax. Once again, raising arms up. Now keep your hands down. Then fold your another leg. Open your both the heels, toes touching each other. Toes touching each other. Open your heels. Plant your hips between your both the heels. Keep your backbone straight. And keep your both the hands on your thighs. If you are not comfortable to perform it, you can leave it. Yes, slowly come back. Glands. This asana is also good for the proper growth and development of your body. Alright, just relax. Bhati. I hope you all have completed your repetition. Second one is Nadi Shodhan Pranayam. According to the yogic language, in our body we have Shushumna, Ida and Pingla. Ida indicate towards the moon, Pingla indicate towards the sun. So this pranayam gives us the absolute balance between our both the side of brain and body. So for the same, first close your right nostril with your thumb. Use your right hand. Close your right nostril with the thumb. Then we have to inhale the breath from the another nostril. And after complete inhalation, we have to exhale the breath also from the same nostril. After completing first repetition, the same activity we will perform with the another nostril. Are you ready? Close your right nostril. Close your eyes. Take a breath. Slowly breathing. Now slowly exhale. Now close your another nostril. Again take a breath. Now exhale from the same nostril. Alright kids, get ready for chanting. Touch your index finger with your thumb. Keep your backward straight. Class 6 students, you are requested to maintain silence and watch the activity carefully. Alright, James, keep your backward straight. Take a long breath and chant Om Om. Once again, take a long. Again, take a long breath and chant Om. sit in meditation mode for 1 minute only. Alright, James, rub your palms together. Rub it properly, make them warm. Place them on your eyes. Not fingers, your palms.